Welcome to the middle of nowhere. I'm the guy that literally lives in the middle of nowhere, and I'm underneath my '69 Mustang right now. I just finished with the exhaust manifolds and all that stuff, so I'm gonna clean this off. I can't get that to fucking rotate, so I put that bolt back on, the bottom bolt for the flywheel to connect to the torque converter. Just taking out all these other bolts. I'm just gonna try to clean it up as much as possible because there's right now the way I'm set up, it's not gonna happen. I need to have this mounted, and that will be the only way I am going to get this thing. How would I say it? Fucking separated, is have it mounted in the car. I'm not even gonna bother with doing that then. All I'm gonna do is just a major cleanup. I'm gonna scrape as much as possible, get all the shit I can off here, vacuum it up, just to make it better. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do it like a time lapse shit because this could take a while, and I'm not am in the mood right now. So let's get her done. All right, so I just took off the oil pan, and when I was dumping it out, I found this. This seems and feels like a chunk of fucking steel. That's not good. Chunk of steel that fucking big? What blew? So I might have a bigger issue than I thought. And you look at this. What else do I have here? Oh. There's another fucking chunk of steel. And it is thick shit oil. Like, this is nasty. Sorry. Yeah, it's really nasty, really thick. Oh, I'm feeling a lot of grinding stuff in there. Nope. Rock or something. Alright. Well, that's no good. I'm gonna try to scrape as much as I can out of this thing. Just like that is fucking gross. Not that it's gross, I'm talking that it's just this sucks. Really, really sucks. Look at that sludge. And it's all oil, that's the one thing. It's not anything else. So I'm gonna take that inside and get this cleaned up and take a look at those parts. And because look at that, now she's all looking fucking better, but the internals are just all messed up. So I'll have to see what I can do. So I had this filled up with a regulator fluid, shit like that. And that is the bottom end of a fucking piston. So at least I know it's pistons, because even that's two pieces. Now, number one piston was different from the rest of them. So my guessing, they never cleaned out the fucking oil pan, because it was stuck in there, and look at all that shit that's in there. I got a good feeling that it was changed out, but it wasn't completely done right. So I'm gonna take a look and get this cleaned out. I'm gonna leave this for tonight, and that'll be another fucking day. Tomorrow I'm gonna take a look at that internals and see if it really is that. I'm the guy from middle of nowhere. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want to see. Anybody could give me an idea how those pieces of pistons got in the oil pan, other than an explosion, but what would cause just the ends of it be just left it there? I would assume there would be a lot more, but I'm guessing they missed a bit. Like always, have a good one.